Adding a wide-angle lens to your Camileo H30. There are multiple videos on how to do this. There's my H30. I've already done the operation here. And what I used was a 43mm by 52mm stepping ring, which doesn't want to come into focus because I'm using my phone to do this. Maybe if I get there. Okay, anyways, you can see now. Use jewelry cement. It's a nice tight fit and works well. It's hard to film with your phone though. Anyways, nice tight fit. Here's the lens. Combination macro and wide angle lens with a filter on there to protect it. Now we have an inexpensive wide angle camcorder. This does shoot HD. You have to worry about the lighting situations a little bit. And that's my video. Have a great day and happy YouTubing.